Are you one of the 57% of people living paycheck to paycheck? Are you struggling for saving money? If yes, this video is for you. Building money is difficult, especially when you don't earn too much. Today, I will talk about 5 powerful steps with simple tricks and real-life examples to help you stop living paycheck to paycheck, and I will show you exactly how to start saving, even with a small income. Most people believe you need money to start saving, but the truth is you don't. You can start even from zero. Watch the video till end and make sure to subscribe for more real-life money strategies. Now, let's jump to step 1. Build awareness. Start by tracking every dollar you spend. For example, let's say you spend just $2 a day on snacks and coffee. That's $60 a month. And most people don't even notice it. In Rich Dad and Poor Dad's book, there is a sentence which says, saving money is not about how much you earn, it is about how much you keep and manage. This is the truth, because if you learn how to control $10, you would be able to control $1,000. So make sure you track your tiny expenses. Here is a very important twist. Don't calculate it in your mind. The terrible mistake that most people do. Don't make your plans in your head. Jot it down. Make a list. Use digital apps to record what you spend on. After a while, you will delete half of your item on your purchases list. And eventually, you have built a real wealth. Here is the second step. Start extremely small. You don't need big money to save. Start small. Here is a daily life example. If you save just $1 a day, that's $30 a month and $365 a year. That means from almost nothing, you have built a real saving. Consistency beats size, even if it is small. Let me tell you another example. Consider you earn just $2,000 per month. If you save just 5% of your income, that would be $100 each month and $1,200 per year. Later on, that will buy you financial security and peace. Step 3. Eliminate silent spending. Cut unnecessary habits. For example, ordering food twice a week for $5 each time would be $40 a month. Cut that in half and you save $20 instantly. As a result, you don't need more money to save, you need fewer leaks. Dave Ramsey once said, small expenses don't look dangerous until they become your lifestyle. Step 4. Create a simple system. Divide your income into different categories like needs, wants, and saving. To clarify it more, let's create a simple system together. If you earn $100 per day, it should be divided into needs $80, wants $15, and savings $5. It seems so small, even nothing, right? But even $5 matters. By making system, we can understand that saving is a priority and plan, not leftover. The 5th step is to increase your income. Look for small ways to earn more. For example, freelancing, teaching, or selling a simple skill online. Even an extra $20 or $50 a month can double your savings. By doing this, you will see that small income growth creates momentum. And again, saving money is not just about money, it's about discipline, control, plan, and future security. If you can save $1, you can save $1,000 too. The difference is consistency. Finally, to save money with a small income, you need to build awareness. Start extremely small. eliminate silent spending, create a simple and useful system, and search for different ways to increase your income. Now, I want you to comment below how much you will save today and subscribe for more real life financial growth.